Hi Sonic State, I'm Mark Verbos from Verbos Electronics. We've been listening to the sound of a harmonic oscillator with a whole bunch of varying control voltages. I just grabbed as many different moving control voltage sources as I could find and plugged them into a bunch of the level inputs for the various partials. It can do some rather interesting, slowly evolving drones, and I find that it's quite interesting through a bigger reverb or a shimmery reverb in this case. One of the things that we've been talking about today is about philosophy of instrument design and about interfaces, and something that's really important to me. The interface of the instrument is actually where I like to start the design and then work back and try to work out how I'll do whatever I dream up for the interface. So as it relates to the harmonic oscillator, I knew that it would be an oscillator that had various dedicated outputs for the sine waves at different harmonics, and that there would be a mixer. But the real challenge then is just to present that in a way that's musical and useful and engaging and inspiring. So I hope that I've achieved that with these modules, but it's an ongoing process as I design more things. I'm refining the ideas and trying to work toward a more fluid operation between the musician and the instrument, and interesting and new ways to use modular synthesizers in a musical context, not just as a means of experimenting, but also as a means of making very deliberate music. I think that some of that shines through in the way that things are put together, with signal flows that always go either from the left to the right or from the bottom to the top, and sections are split off with different colored boxes, and it helps also to have a unified system where all of these individual pieces are working together, and have a signal flow within the cabinet that goes in a direction, in this case following the ideology of the controller being close to me, its outputs all being at the top of the module, the inputs of the modules here generally, sources closer to me, and the processing, like the filter and the amplifier and what have you, farther away, and the signal flowing from me. I had a lot of experience working with Buchla, vintage Buchla instruments, and I wanted to bring some of the great things about those interfaces and the workflow that Don dreamt up a long time ago. I wanted to bring some of that energy and that philosophy into my synthesizer. So I do my best to channel the good ideas that I learned from that into this.